Welcome to our annual General Assembly lookbook, modest outfits, and I hope you enjoy. Hi guys! Hello and welcome to this video. This is our General Assembly videos. I've been doing these for like I think this is my third year, and I know that a lot of you guys really like them. So this is day one of our packed week of church. So this is day one. I am currently getting ready. I am currently curling my hair. I just put these in, so I'm really hoping that they work out by the time. I'll probably leave these on the way to church too, so I am about to get ready. This is going to be the General Assembly lookbook where I show all of my outfits for the whole 8 days of services. Of course, obviously it's not about really what you wear. You know, we're there for God and everything, but you still need to look nice, you still need to look good, and you still need to be put together and clean and, you know, modest and everything, okay? So I always have so much fun with this video because I get to show you all my outfits. So today we're going a little more simple. Kind of in a rush, but we're gonna try our very best. Don't laugh at me. I know you're laughing at me. Don't laugh at me. I'm curling my hair. I already know what I'm wearing. I just have to iron it and put it on and then get going. So since I'm in a rush, I'll just show you when I get dressed, okay? Okay, this is the dress. It's inside out, but it's just pink floral. I want to be as comfortable as possible tonight just because I'm rushing, but I'm gonna wear this. It's long. So just pink and white for tonight. Okay, I took out my hair. This side is not as curled, this side is a little bit curled, but it's okay, it's fine. I got my head covering on. Here's the full outfit, my dress, and that's all. That's the outfit for day one. You have to join. Okay, we're gonna do our outfits. Featuring a guest.
Hi. This is my dress, my shoes, my hair.
Okay, welcome to day 2 of our General Assembly. I'm back at it with my heatless curls, so don't mind those, but here is outfit. Here's day 2 outfit. I have this floral skirt, kind of like magenta colored tank top, and then my oversized denim shirt. I'm comfortable, still look good, you know. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I take off my shoes anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Obviously gonna take out my hair, and then I'll choose between these head coverings which one I'm gonna wear. But there is outfit for day 2. I feel like my room is always a mess in these General Assembly days, but kind of in a rush today, so I didn't show much of the process of getting ready. But I'll see you in the other video when we get to church. So I did just come into church like this, but there's not really a lot of people here, so it's fine. I'm curling my hair. It's all good. I'm gonna take it out now. Alright, what else? We made it to church. Here's the full outfit. Oh. my hair, my shoes. Today is our Ladies in Waiting Fellowship. So here is my outfit. I for once have my hair already taken out. I have my heatless curler. I wasn't going to, but I might as well just do it now. Have my dress, denim shirt for last night, white shoes, and we are ready to go. And the fellowship I will vlog on the other video. But I wanted to show you my outfit because this is a part of the outfits for the 8 days. So yeah. Okay, so night 3, I was gonna wear this pink dress, but I tried it on and I don't like it. I feel like it needs something over it and I don't have anything. So not gonna wear this, maybe I'll save it. So what I'm actually gonna wear is this black dress, black undershirt, and then hopefully wear a black belt with it. So outfit for church, this is the outfit for church. Just all black. I put this little belt to try to accessorize, you know, since I'm wearing all black, I might as well do a little accessories. For once, I put my head covering on at home. My hair, just how it's been the past few days. I'm just gonna wear some black shoes that I've been wearing the past 3 days. And the dress is long, so the dress is long and comfortable, so yeah. That's the outfit. All right, today is day 4. Wait, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, day 4. Today's Wednesday, and it is time to get ready. I have my hair curling per usual. You already know what this is. And I have my outfit behind me that I'm planning on wearing. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it turns out good because I've never put these things together. And I mean, how bad could it be? It's a shirt and a jean skirt, but let me show you. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this pink and orange striped shirt. I got this from Target. So thinking this shirt, I have to iron it, of course. And then this denim skirt, it's like a really long denim skirt, and it's kind of like flared out. So I have to iron these things and then just see how it looks. If not, then I'll have to get a backup outfit, but this is what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking this with some white shoes. I'm gonna iron it, put it on, and then I'll see if it looks good together. If not, we need a backup outfit, and we need a quick backup outfit because we gotta go. I tried it on before I ironed it. Absolutely not. This is not it. Okay, so I went with a white skirt. I have white shoes. The white skirt way better. I've actually worn this outfit before in another video. And then for my head covering, I can either wear this white one or I thought this orange one, since I have a lot of white going on and it has, like, you know, has stripes too. So I'm gonna bring both and see which one looks better. Okay, here is the full outfit. I have my shirt. I like this shirt. It's super cute, but it gets wrinkled quickly even though I ironed it. But then I have this white skirt tucked in it a little here, and then I switched shoes just because the other ones were Dee Dee's shoes and I don't want to dirty her shoes, so I switched to these. So there's the outfit. Most likely gonna take my hair out at church. Okay, Kiki said orange, so I'm gonna go.
No, I said white.
Oh, white?
Sandwich method.
I was trying to bring a little color with the orange. Okay, Kiki said white, so I'm gonna do white.
Look at my case. It's really cute.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my head covering on, and then we're gonna go inside of church. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to video today because I'm gonna be using my phone for live stream. Maybe Kiki will film for us. So if you do see anything, it's because Kiki filmed it. So thanks to Kiki in advance. But I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna go into church. Kiki's here. She wanted to match, so we're matching with our, that's her clip. And then mine, you can see it. Okay, that's how we're matching today. So everybody say hi to Kiki. Welcome to day 5 of our 8 days of outfits. This is day 5, like I just said. I am so sleepy. Today was a long day. Day 5. And I have what I'm wearing right here. The bad thing about these videos, I love filming this video. It's one of my favorite ones. But the bad thing is, I can't wear the same thing that I wore last year because you guys will see it. And I can't be an outfit repeater on my own channel. So, tonight I'm wearing this dress. You'll see it on, but it's just a dress. It's a cute dress, and I'm gonna wear it with my same denim shirt because it's comfortable and I'm tired. So, per usual, I'm curling my hair and I'm waiting for the iron to warm up. But I wanted to let you guys know what I'm wearing. I actually just thought of another outfit that I might try on, but for now we're gonna go with this one because it's really comfortable, but it's still cute, you know? Stuck with this outfit, this dress, because we also have rehearsal, youth choir rehearsal. It was worth it. I said it was worth keeping it in. I kept my heatless curler all in through our morning activities, even the youth. We went to a youth fellowship earlier today, and I kept my heatless curler in. So to everybody who saw me earlier, this is what I was doing. Okay, there's my hair. I'm finally taking it out before service. But here is my hair. I have my head covering. I actually might switch to a black hat instead of a head covering. Instead of like this. I don't know. We actually do have to go. So I will see you in my other video for service at 8. So today is day 6. Today's day 6. And today's outfit is going to be kind of easy because tonight's youth night. So we have to wear our YG shirts. So YG shirts and jean bottoms. So I'm thinking this. Dee Dee told me to wear my blazer. So I'm going to try to wear the blazer with this. If the blazer doesn't work out, then I'm going to probably wear this little green cardigan. And then I have these boots. So let's get dressed and see what I'm gonna wear. Okay, this is the outfit. What do we think? I put the blazer on. It's not fitted how I want it to be, but I don't think it looks horrible. Then I have the boots, have a slip under here. Boots are coming right off once we get to church. Got my head covering on. Today's day 7 of GA. Here's my outfit. Got my head covering, some little flower clips, floral dress. This is the same dress that I wore, I think Monday or Sunday, but in blue. It's Dee Dee's dress. Then I got my cardigan. That's the outfit for day 7. This was my outfit for today, day 8. It's just this dress. We've seen this dress before, but that is a wrap on our GA 2024 outfits. I hope you enjoyed all my outfits. This year's theme was comfy, and we were here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed.